And thank you so much for all those updates. We're looking at some more news coming in. Adani Defense and Aerospace have announced the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding with the Italian defense major Leonardo, which was earlier known as AugustaWestland, to establish a fully integrated helicopter manufacturing ecosystem in India, eyeing a huge military market. According to estimates, the cumulative requirement of the Indian Armed Forces, Army, Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard for helicopters in various classes totals to over 1,000. This includes 300 plus light utility helicopters, more than 300 medium lift helicopters and over 100 intermediate helicopters and over 90 maritime multi-role helicopters. The MOU, signed in the presence of Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh and Anna Barasu, DG Acquisition at the Ministry of Defence here in the national capital, will focus on targeting the Indian Armed Forces requirements, particularly for Leonardo's AW169M and AW109 Tracker-M helicopters. The collaboration will deliver phased internalization, robust maintenance, repair and overhaul capabilities and comprehensive pilot training. Let's in fact listen in to what Jeet Adani, Director of Adani Defense and Aerospace, had to say.
Today we stand at a moment that carries meaning far beyond a corporate announcement. It is a moment that speaks to India's confidence, to our aspirations as a nation, and to our belief that the future of aerospace must be shaped not outside our borders but here by our own people. For decades, our armed forces have protected the nation across landscapes that test the limits of human endurance: towering mountains, vast deserts, dense forests and long coastlines. Their courage has always been unwavering. Our responsibility is to ensure that the capabilities that they rely on evolve with the same unwavering resolve. Today we stand.
Let me in fact go across to my colleague Shikha Shalaria, who is with us on the broadcast. Shikha, take us through the details of this MOU.
Yes, clearly, Shivani, this is a big MOU that has been signed between the Adani Defense and Aerospace. That's the flagship defense and aerospace arm of the Adani Enterprises Limited, and Leonardo, which happens to be a global leader in defense, aerospace and security. And this is aimed at addressing a lot of defense requirements of India. What both the companies are aiming at is to fuse Leonardo's world-class helicopter design with the engineering prowess offered by Adani's defense, end-to-end defense and aerospace expertise. And this also is a bid to ensure that, the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision that has been envisaged by the Prime Minister is advanced, and to strengthen national defense readiness with the potential to be extended to civil aviation applications and international supply chain integration. In fact, what is also being looked at is to ensure that this ecosystem promises transformative economic impact, as what Adani Enterprises is claiming is that this is also going to create high-skill jobs in engineering, manufacturing, logistics, and sustainment services, while cementing India as a competitive hub for helicopter production. Helicopters happen to be one sector which the defense and the Air Force especially have looked at several times in the hour of need, and helicopter procurement, helicopter development, shared development is something that India has looked at over the past several years.
Absolutely, Shikha. I think this is a deal that will have remarkable effect on the Indian manufacturing industry. With that, we are wrapping up this bulletin and slipping into this short commercial.